The last couple of days have been really windy. I don't even know if this is coming through my audio, so even though I'm not really riding fast, I'm doing 50 miles an hour, I just feel this wind. If you haven't heard about this by now, you must be living under a rock. I'm sure you have to have heard of this. It's been all over YouTube, what Insta360 has been doing, sending out products to reviewers to review and telling them, don't tell anybody we gave you this for free, so it'll make the review seem more authentic. Everybody's been covering that. One guy posted it and it just blew up. Everybody's been covering it.
Insta360 shamelessly have been asking, requesting, suggesting content creators to hide that they are sponsored by Insta360.
This isn't a video that I wanted to make, but I think it needs to be made. There's been a lot of accusations going around that Insta360 has been asking creators to not disclose sponsorships when they're working directly with Insta360.
But that brings me to, I'm in the market for a new ND filter. And now I don't know who I can trust now anymore. What's up, squids? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Guys, if you appreciate what I'm doing, if you appreciate the video, smash that like button. If you care to, you can subscribe. Comments do go a long way. I reply to all my comments. Yeah, I actually do. I actually reply to all my comments. So I'm in the market for an ND filter, like I said earlier. I'm sure by now some of you know what an ND filter is. If you don't, well, here it is. So I've been looking at some ND filters. I'm looking at the Peter McKinnon ND filter. I kind of like it. It's kind of expensive, but from what I'm hearing, it's good quality. You're actually getting what you pay for. So the filter I'm looking for is a variable ND filter with a CPL on it as well. So it's a 2-in-1 filter, and I'm looking at that filter. But I'm also looking at this other filter from Freewell. And I've been seeing a lot of very positive I've been seeing a lot of very positive reviews about the Freewell ND filter. A lot of these positive reviews are coming from people who actually receive the ND filter for free. Now, they do disclose in the review that they received the filter for free. And I watched like 5 or 6 of these reviews praising this ND filter, saying how good it is. It's just as good as the Peter McKinnon filter and all that stuff. And I came across this one guy, this one channel. He has a very small channel, not a big channel. Now the reviews I've been seeing are from people with over, I guess, 30,000, 50,000 subscribers. This guy only has like 1,500 subscribers or something. Not a lot. He was saying the filter is a very good filter, but there's some issues with the filter that you can't overcome. And he was asking for help in the review. So he's given the product great reviews, but he's saying what nobody else is telling you is you can't use it with a matte box and you can't use it with a lens hood. So if the rain falls, it's gonna get wet. If the sun is shining, the sun is gonna get right into it and cause glare. So like, how do you get around that without actually altering the ND filter? Because it has a dial on it that you turn. That dial is the issue. That dial is stopping lens hoods and matte box from getting on. And it's also very wide. None of the reviews I watch mention that. I guess they figure, well, you wouldn't use it anyway. I don't know why you wouldn't use it. I use a matte box and I use lens hoods all the time. But that just brings me to how some of these reviewers are reviewing products and giving them glowing reviews and not showing you the pros and cons. They're just giving you all the pros and none of the cons because either they're giving these products for free and or paid, and they don't want to upset the person or the company who's giving them this free product, because they won't get any more free product. And then I don't know if you guys watch Gerald Undone. If you don't, you should go watch him. He's pretty good at reviewing stuff. He's excellent camera reviewer. And I feel if you're doing motovlogging, you should watch videos like his, because you will use a camera in your vlogs, so you should watch him. So he gives really good reviews, and he was saying it's not right that a lot of these reviewers are accepting free products and not giving you the cons, just giving you the pros. And he gives you the pros and cons, and he's been punished by a lot of these companies because of because of the critical reviews that he does. And a lot of people aren't doing critical reviews anymore. They're just giving you all the positives and none of the negatives. And now you got to be very wary of the content that you watch for the reviews that you want to watch, because now you're going to go out and buy this product, and then you're going to see the cons for yourself. And hopefully if you do buy some product and you see the cons for yourself, baby, you'll be bold enough to put a video out showing the cons of these products. And maybe if some of these companies reach out to you to make reviews, you'll also tell them, hey, I'm not gonna not say that this is a paid review or a sponsored review or whatever the case is. Like Insta360 wanted a lot of their people to do. Not tell people it's a paid review or a sponsored review. Telling them, oh, don't say that because we want the review to sound more authentic. Yeah, so I'm in the market for that, and if I do get one, and depending on which one I get, I'll obviously show you guys which one I did get, which one I went ahead and bought. But I'm in the market right now, and that's about it. So I'm headed home now to get me a shower and get me something to eat, because I'm hungry as hell. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the short one, just watch out for reviewers video, I would say. Remember, keep your eyes on a swivel, keep the sticky side down and shiny side up, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. I'm trying to get some wood. I'm trying to smoke some brisket. I'm trying to smoke some ribs. So I'm looking for apple wood. I'm looking for peach wood. I'm looking for any kind of flavored wood, because I'm gonna smoke me some meat, boy.